Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to essential breaking news Begin Career Mail. So it is a first part video. Is it a rejection mail or it is about the new hiring? What about the cooling period? Must watch this video before applying or before taking any action. So in this video we will discuss about all the important points. Let's start the video. Okay, so basically before starting the video, there are so many good opportunities are on channel. Please don't watch the fake videos and don't apply for fake opportunities. Apply for actual job opportunity that top MNC company is hiring. Okay, so many candidates received this type of mail and soon I will share all the updates that is related to the next process. Okay, and it is confirmed that if you received the task mail, so you also received this type of mail. Okay, I talked to so many candidates and some candidates mentioned that I received the task mail but also I received this type of mail. Okay, first of all, this is not a rejection by a Accenture team where it is mentioned that it is a rejection. Okay, they just mentioned that get ready to kickstart your Accenture career journey. As well as one of the most important point, this is a rejection mail. Okay, update on your interview and candidature status. This type of mail if you received means this is a rejection mail by the Accenture team. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention that if you read the mail completely, so you will know that like they just mentioned that you are almost there. Post your interview, we will assess your overall performance and select you for system and application service associate opportunity. Now we are checking that on the Accenture portal, system and application service associate hiring is very different. Okay, as you can see on my screen that eligibility is different from the AAC role. I talked to support team. Hello team, I applied for Accenture AAC role and I am waiting for interview results, but today I got one mail, begin career with Accenture, and it's for system application. For that role, am I not eligible? I am not eligible. Why I received this mail? They just mentioned that kindly ignore this mail and wait for further communication. This is actual query because they just mentioned that like in the AAC role, they just mentioned that candidate should not appear for Accenture recruitment interview process in the last 3 months. Okay, so if you received this mail also, and you can click on register now button, and if the system and application service associate hiring will be open. Okay, suppose link will be active in some time and system and application service associate hiring is there. So how AAC candidates is eligible for this opportunity? Okay, there is no point. Okay, this is only for the for those candidates who have not applied previously and for the new candidates. Okay, Accenture team, I think this is just a reminder mail for the particular opportunity, and they just send to so many candidates. Okay, it is by the trigger option or some of the other opportunity, but if you are not eligible for this opportunity, so how you can apply for this opportunity? Okay, so they just mentioned that you will be notified our assessment and timelines. Congratulations, you will receive a offer letter. You will receive a notification from us as you proceed through each stage. Okay, so for the system and application service associate, AAC candidates are not eligible. This is one of the most important point, and they just mention some of the point that is related to PAN card. It is not for the AAC role, it is for application service associate and system service associate role. One of the most important point, if you are waiting for your interview results, okay, and if the registration link will be active, don't apply for this opportunity. Most probably they will not consider the two application of a same candidate at the same time. Okay, and in the previous year so many candidates rejected due to this. So I suggest you to don't apply for this opportunity like if you are waiting for your interview results, because you are in the process already. Okay, and if your application is not considered, they will send this type of mail. Okay, so like this is a rejection mail. Okay, and and your interview performance and all of your performance is good, so you can wait wait for the result. There is a cooling period of 3 months. This is one of the most important point. And if you already applied for SAS role and basically SASA role, and if you are waiting for the interview results, don't apply for this opportunity again. I am telling that because there is a cooling period, and after that they will be not consider you for opportunity again. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Please like and share the video with your friends, as well as soon I will make a new video that is related to the second video of this important mail. So basically of this mail, so basically if I received any of the update, surely I will inform all of you. Thanks for watching the video.